Manifesting your specific person is literally this easy in 2023. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. And remember to click the bell icon. It helps our algorithm and allows you to get the video when it's hot off the press. High flyers does not matter. Let me repeat, does not matter what happened in 2022 or 2021. It literally doesn't matter. 2023 is a whole new energy that you're entering into. And so if you have a specific person in mind that you'd like to draw into your life, this is your year. Within you, high flyers, is the power, is the energy, is the vibration to be a super attractor for love in 2023. I'm not just saying that. I absolutely believe it. I believe the last 2 or 3 years have been very, very difficult on relationships. But I also believe that 2023 and beyond is going to be wonderful for relationships, for commitment, for marriage, for family. It's going to be an incredible time. And you can have the specific person that you desire. I believe that. Do you? Now, here's the thing. High flyers, the 3D world, the physical world, in which we live in, the 3D world, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if there's a third party going on right now. Doesn't matter if you've been ghosted. Doesn't matter if they are angry with you. Doesn't matter if you begged and borrowed and chased and pushed them away. All of that is in the past, and you are starting fresh right now in 2023. By the way, if you're watching this video late in the year, it's perfect for you. If you're watching it in 2024 and beyond, that's okay too. It's equally relevant. The secret, and here's the big secret. I think you should write this one down. The secret to attracting your specific person in 2023 is to believe it's easy. Stop thinking it's difficult. Stop thinking it's a big challenge. Stop saying stuff like, well, they're stubborn. They're never going to come back. Blah, 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 blah. He's too prideful. He'll never call me. Stop with those kinds of affirmations. But she's in another relationship now. Stop. Those are all limiting beliefs and negative affirmations. Rather say, this is easy in 2023 for me to have a relationship, a great, loving relationship with my specific person. High flyers, here's a special sentence I'd really like you to pause this and write down. If I can see it, believe it, and feel it in my heart, I will live it in my life. The key is you've got to see it up here in your mind. Have a vision of the kind of relationship you are drawing to you. You've got to feel it in your heart. That's the toughest thing to do. The seeing isn't so hard, but you've got to feel it as if you already have it, as if it's already yours. Then you've got to believe it, and you've got to trust it. You've got to say, I believe this. I trust this. I know this. Now the hard part comes. Are you ready? Here's the hard part. You've got to let it go. Just let it go. You see, some people say, and some people want you to believe that letting it go is not caring, is not giving a f. But that's like miles from the truth. That has nothing to do with reality. What letting go is about is trusting that the vision that you have in your mind, what you see in your mind, what you feel in your heart, what you believe to be your new reality has already manifested in your life. The door is now opening. Will it take a week? Will it take a day? Will it take a month? I don't know. But the door is opening and it's already manifesting. So you can let it go and you don't have to stay in a state of want and need and hoping and wishing and chasing and crying, because you can now focus on what's really important, yourself. You see, high flyers, when you want and want and want and want and want, you set yourself up to attract more want. So let it go in 2023. Trust the process. You know the vision, you know what you feel, you know what you choose to believe. So now let it go and stop wanting, stop chasing, stop wishing, stop hoping, and allow that specific person to come to you. As I said earlier, I believe 2023 into 2024 is literally a portal of love. It's a portal into a new dimension of relationships and commitments and even marriages and even families. I mean, I think it's going to be an incredible time. So don't settle for anything less, high flyers. Number one, put out your intentions to the universe. See it in your mind. Say to the universe or write it down. My intention is, and then fill in the blank. My intention is to be in an incredible relationship. Fill in the blank and believe it and trust it and feel it. Know exactly what your intention is and be clear about it. Number two, every day see it in your mind. Every day feel it in your heart. Every day believe it in your soul. And every day, let go of it and get on with your life and focus on your journey and how special and unique you are. Which leads us to number three, which is to focus on your worth, your value, your preciousness, your uniqueness, but also write down your goals and your dreams, not just in regards to your relationship, but in regards to other areas of your life. Because if you're only focused on your relationship, then you're still in a state of need and want. You need to focus on other areas of your life. What do you want to learn? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to travel to? What do you want to do with your body? How do you want to eat? What are your other goals and dreams in 2023? And if you do that, it will begin to raise your vibration because you're placing more value on yourself. You are precious. You are unique. You are worthy. And by placing more value on yourself, you increase your magnetism. You increase your attractiveness. Number four, Neville Goddard talks about the law of assumption and he writes about it. And the key here is to act as if you already have the relationship you desire. You're already being loved. You're already being cared about, and feel it. Remember, we said one of those was to feel it. Feel it in your soul. Believe that you have it, and you do. Believe that you are in the relationship you desire, and you are. Okay? Feel it. Live the law of assumption. Somebody said to me, well, Robert, how do I do that? And I said, it's easy. You see it. You feel it. You believe it. Absolutely, you believe it. And then you let it go. Number five is your self-talk. What are you saying to yourself when he or she comes into your mind during the day? He wants me. He's chasing me. He can't get enough of me. He thinks about me all the time. He's afraid to call. He's afraid to text, but he will. He can't resist it. She texts me every day. She loves being close to me. She wants me. We love each other. We love spending time together. We can't get enough of each other. 2023 is our marriage year. And finally, number 6, everyday gratitude. And I'm not just talking about for your relationship. I'm talking about for your childhood. I'm talking about for your family. I'm talking about for your job, your health, your vitality, the food, the house that you live in. Fill your life with gratitude because it raises your vibration, increases your magnetism and attractiveness. And it's just a wonderful energy that people want to be around, including your specific person. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.